Yep. The owner? That's a different Look at their windmills on it. Is it good? Oh, it's water but with orange. And they had this guessing game for seeds. I think I only did what, like 4? 3 or 4.
Well, Sinella, she has been here before.
Yeah.
Alright, no fun. It's gonna be a little warmer in there and we can still grow those crops. We have the plastic almost installed. It's just laying right there. We just have to open it and throw it up. You can see these tomatoes, they're taller, they have more leaves, they look bigger. And these rows right here, I don't know if you can see, they're smaller and the leaves are curly.
Yeah.
That's because there is a little fly.
Those
white,
look little.
and
those look like
it
healthy
transmits
leaves.
a disease when they suck on the leaves. And it's a big problem here in the valley.
They think they have a rabbit. Nibbling on some of the leaves.
Yeah.
Kale.
And then these are legs of kale. There is some fish. We were wondering. I think they came with the river water because they're small. And the pipe, you see the pipe that brings the water is pretty big. So we just started seeing little fish.
See the little ripples? The little ripples are the fish.
And I think they help a lot with the mosquitoes because there was.
Say bye. We just finished the farm tour and we were talking with Shakira and Farmer Juan. Some more people showed up. So he said he was gonna have more farm tours if there was interest. So if y'all are interested. We saw the pond. What else did we see? The tomatoes, 2 different varieties. What were these? Eggplants? Yeah, eggplant. Okay, let's go. Come on. And now we're gonna go over to Playdate. There's more people coming. Come on. Let's go. The girls are a little bit intimidated. I don't know what. We just got to the pumpkin patch and they're just standing there like, what do we do? What do we do? Look at the baby ones. Lots of pumpkins. Got pumpkins. Oh my lord, it is a hot day today. We left the park super hot. I'm glad we got there a little bit early. And then my husband took the girls. He met us because Yvette has her, yes, I'm out of breath. Her religious education classes, and I got a huge bag. It's really heavy of calabaza, which is zucchini. It's a round one. We got cucumbers, mint to make pickles, basil. I can't remember what else. Since I have our ice chest from our picnic at the park, usually we go straight home after the farmer's market. But the movie is gonna start. I don't remember what the name of the movie is, but me and my mom are gonna stay for the movie. So I can put all of the produce that we got in the ice chest. Put this away and we're gonna go enjoy the movie. Oh my god, y'all, look at this place. Downtown McAllen. Party stuff. Central. Bride. What did my sister want? She wanted a ribbon. So here's all the wedding stuff. Wow. And pretty reasonable, I guess. I really have never shopped. But they have party stuff. Look at this thingy. A baby shower. it was some baggies, like plastic party bags, 2 for $1. So, Lay's, oh my god, crazy. And look, here's more centerpieces, and I don't know what that stuff is. Boa, bachelorette party. Okay, party for anything. So it is 7 o'clock, and my husband just texted me, said that he took the girls to the doctor. Which, okay, because Eliana has had a cough. She kind of gets like, let me turn off the thing, like episodes or something like that. I don't know what you would call it. This driving my husband's car, and it shakes a whole lot. Look. See? Okay. So yeah, I'm about to go meet them for dinner because their doctor is way over here. But just wanted to end the vlog. We had a pretty awesome day celebrating, if y'all didn't know, it was World Food Day on Thursday, and we went to Open Farm Day, and you know, all the clips that y'all saw. Fooducation Movie Series, which today was about mental health and not, you know, drugging yourself with, you know, that cocktail of drugs or whatever. So that was very interesting. I'll put information about, you know, the event and the products and stuff and what they talked about, if y'all are interested in that. Me and my mom went shopping after the movie, so that was fun. I think downtown McAllen, that's where we were, is full of CRAP because, I mean, it's just a bunch of imported plastic doodads. There's some pretty cute stuff, especially, you know, if you're like a crafter and stuff, wholesale and all. And it started raining, and I don't know if y'all can see, the clouds are kind of dark on this side, and it's really blue and light on this side, and the sun is already setting. Anyways, I am going on and on. My husband has been wanting to come to Red Robin area, and look, see my face is turning yellow? It's because of the, I don't know if y'all will be able to see it? Not really. Well, it's like yellow, like there's a fire like on the other side of the mountain type of effect going on. So yeah, it looks really cool. Maybe I'll turn it around so y'all can see it. You can't really tell. Well, see, there's where it's all blue. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It's kind of fiery, and it's starting to sprinkle now. And there's lightning, and that's a light. It's not the sun. There's lightning over there too, and it's nice and sunny. Anyways, I love the weather. God is good. I'm like my dad. He can just stare at the clouds, go to Grand Canyon, and you know. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna enjoy some Red Robin. My husband has been wanting to come, like I said, since it's birthday, and gonna enjoy some family time together finally. That man almost ran me over. Alright, well, see y'all on the next one. Bye. You don't have to listen, to hear what I'm saying. You were already listening when the other kids were just playing. Music's all these girls, so take off your hair. Tomorrow's where I'm going and gone, it's just where I'm at.